Hey everyone, in this quick 2025 Wix Studio guide, I'll show you how to fix scaling issues so your site looks perfect on every screen size. First, open your site in Wix Studio Editor. Click on the breakpoints icon at the top to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. If elements look stretched or misaligned, select the section or container. Under the Layout panel, set the width to scale proportionally or choose 100% width for full responsiveness. For text, go to Inspector, Text Settings, Size, and switch it to Responsive Size. Make sure images are set to scale to fit or cover. This prevents distortion. Finally, preview your site across breakpoints and tweak margins or padding if anything shifts. And that's it. Your Wix Studio site will now scale cleanly on any device in 2025.